Hey guys, and welcome to another grocery haul. Yes, I just went to the store. They're calling for 10 to 18 inches of snow this weekend, and I wouldn't have went to the store, but I don't get out in the weather, so we're going to be home a lot more, so I gotta have some extra food on hand. And this was a small trip. I got more than what I planned, but that's okay. So let's see. The Hershey's chocolate is $1.50 a piece, and then I got some beef. It's $2.48. The granola bars were $2.98. The Natty Betties were $1.99. The brownie mix was $5.68, but it was $1.70 off of that. It was on sale. Strawberries were $3.18. The goldfish $3.99. It's a big bag. And then I got carrots, 88 cents. Pinto beans were like 78 cents. The salsa was $2.28. The mini chocolate chip from the bakery was $2.98. The Ore-Ida taters, fries and taters were 2 for $5. And then the almond breeze was $2.48. The Dr. Pepper was $1.50 a piece. The Little Smokies was $3. And the beef stew was $6.08. The Tostito chips were $3. Billy's just found a new love for those, so I have to keep them on hand. The crisp Rice Krispies were $1.98. The milk was $3.50. And the Cascade Complete was $5.98. The self-rising flour was $2.78. And I got half of a pie. It's coconut cream. It's so good, from the bakery at Ingles. It was $4.28. And then I got a cucumber with 98 cents. The peppers were 2 for $4. And then the Halos mandarin oranges were $6.98. So that came to a grand total of $84.18. I didn't expect to spend no more than $50, but it's hard for me not to buy things, so especially food. But this is the mini haul. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. We don't really have any plans. Just gotta get ready for this weather. Billy pushes snow. He does driveways and parking lots, so we'll just have to sit down and hopefully it'll be warm enough the kids can play in the snow. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Bye. Watch out. No. This is our current situation here in North Carolina. Snowstorm Diego. There's a kitty. Nope. Billy killed him a deer, so we canned some meat. We did 14 jars. We love just the canned deer meat. And then right now I'm getting ready to make some jerky. We also put some hams in the freezer, so we have a lot of deer meat to do stuff with. Billy is out pushing snow, and the kids are outside playing right this minute. And here's the cats. They love playing in the snow. I know Peeper's the gray one. She's 4, but she's an old lady now. She used to play all the time. And then Gizmo. See, he likes it too. They like playing. playing in the snow. Hi, kitty. Excuse the mess on the porch. Molly has already been in 4 times to get snow out of her glove, boot. She's just, it's cold. I mean, it's a wet snow. She's just a little whiny when it comes to anything. It's a big piece. Okay.